Well, hello. I have a happy mail call. So I have a combination of mail call and I have some happy mail. I am doing a ornament exchange through Barely Art Glue, and it's not just in this case my trade partner who will now get more stuff. Because my goodness, I can't imagine. And I meant to try. I should have opened this online, in front of you guys. But I went ahead and peeked. I didn't even think about it. But I want to share it with you just to show, because I love to showcase what other people do. And my partner is Janice, and she's a subscriber here on the channel. Janice, when you see this girl, I have no words. No, I don't. It's not that I don't have no words. And you guys all know I talk a lot. And I am just floored by your generosity. I was just so spectacularly over the top, unexpected. Oh my gosh, this is why I love this community. Things like this, I've never met a more generous, giving community than the paper crafting community. Overall, you guys all amaze me. So I want to share my buddies. It's an ornament exchange, and it's like, okay, wait a minute, there's anything else there? Okay, it's just said stuff, and there's more stuff. She did this little card. It is so cute. And then we have not just like one, but multiple. Look how cute that is. I want to take it out of the packaging yet, because I'm afraid of damaging it. But look how cute with the little, it's not the Tim Holtz candy canes. I swear, if they're not, they look just like them, but look how pretty that is. And then we have, but no, wait, there's more. Look at this. Look at the gingerbread. And look, you did the little, the little snow text. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. These are just so stinking adorable. But, and she could have stopped. She could have quit right here while she was ahead. No, there's all of this. Look. Oh my gosh, oh no, wait, and there's more ornaments. She's not done yet, but I want to open this. This I saved to open with you guys. Look, this is like, wow. These are so cute. I have not seen these. Oh my gosh, and there's two. Oh my gosh, Janice, you have completely lost your ever-loving mind. These are just adorable. Look how cute. Look, guys, for whoever, think about this, for all of you who win the little base maker, the waterfall, these are the kind of dies that you can use to put a sentiment and little decorations on them. So look at how cute they are. I don't know which one I like better. Wow, look at the jumping deer. Oh my gosh, and it's so funny. I just saw a card on Pinterest that needs one just like that. I was actually going to use it as a sample, as a inspiration to use with my card kit from Spellbinders. I still have to finish up that card kit. I've started. That was what I meant to do on the weekend. I was in Oceanside and I was so darn tired. Oh my gosh, I just want to open up because I want you guys to see. Look at that. Look how he's so cute. Oh my gosh, he's just adorable. This is just teeny tiny. Oh my gosh, Janice, seriously. Wow, I'm gonna put this, but again, no, wait, there's more. And look, the gingerbread guy with the coffee cup. Oh my gosh. So adorable. These are just, wow. Oh my gosh, look at all of these. These are so cute. I love it. And look, and then there's Ghirardelli. Girl, you had me at chocolate. I'm like I tell people, trust me, if you take one look at me, you will know that I do not say no to sugar. Oh my goodness, this is just so cute. And all of this she made and she decorated. And then look at these stickers. Aren't these the cutest? I love it. This vintagey look. Oh my, and there's several sheets. Look at that. Look at how cool is that? This is some of the best happy mail I have gotten. Y'all, I am just so totally floored. So I'm just like, ah! So when I saw the package, I am like, I go in there when, you know, my husband opened the door and it was like, oh, mail. And he has a package and I go, is it pretty? Yeah. And I go, it's mine then. And boy, was I right. This is so awesome. But then on top of the happy mail, I have the mail call. This is the stuff that I ordered from HSN from the free shipping weekend that they did. And it's combined. It's both the free shipping weekend. If it's the one I think it is, I am not sure at this point, because you get to that point where you never know what I'm getting in the mail. It's like, I swear, any day now I expect another llama to show up here.
Well, what about a gnome?
Oh, the peanut gallery loves me, guys. Wait till you see a no. Oh no, and he lights up. Okay, hang on. We're gonna make a seg here. Ah! Okay, you guys, you can't see it, but now you're gonna have to see him. Peanut Gallery just came from He went out shopping without me, but that's okay because I was at the dinner. I went to meet up with a client who I'd helped get his green card, and he was here from India. He's a cinematographer director for Bollywood. But so I met him for dinner, and meanwhile Steve stayed home, and then he went out shopping, and he brought me this from Marshall. Look, wait a minute. Let me see. I got it where he did this to me.
Because they have tons.
Uh-oh. There's more gnomes. Okay, how do I do the light up thing? How do it doesn't do? Oh, there it is. Okay, wait a minute. He does. There, look how cute. Oh my God, he's just adorable. Okay, this is the best night ever. Oh my God, now we will add him to the gnome army. I'll have to take pictures and post them, you guys, of the gnomes. I collect gnomes. I have a thing for gnomes, and slowly but surely. Oh, he's so adorable. Okay, let me calm myself. Okay, cleansing breath. If not, I'm gonna have a heart attack here. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's like, oh look, inflatable thingamajiggers. There's a technical term for what these are, and Peanut Gallery, Steve, the Amazon guy, will tell me when he gets back. I'll ask him because there is a word for them. I forget what they're called, but they are called something. Okay, let me grab my packing slip that I save in case I want to return something, which, mind you, very rarely happens. I'm gonna take the box down. I'm gonna put it right here next to me. Or wait, because we must follow tradition. Okay, we get the box and we fly, my pretty fly. There. Hey, he landed pretty good. That was a pretty good flight there. Okay, so yes, this is my two my two orders from Diamond Press from the newest release at Time Just with me be able to get free shipping. And I can't remember, was it free shipping in one of these, or I forget what. No, I think the 20% off coupon was the, oh my goodness, the binder I'm getting that's coming from Anna Griffin. These are the new alphabets. These are the lowercase inline alphabet dies. So which I think match, I should look right now, I may pull them, the uppercase, because I think I have the uppercase that match them, I think. And if I don't, that's okay. You know, we can always use another set of alphabets. Oh, of course, now I don't even know when I'm going to break out the boxes. I keep getting a new folder every time I order something. But look how cute. Look how nice they are. Now, hang on, because this is the one bin. It's right here next to me. Is the one where I keep my Diamond Press, because I haven't packed them up in my box yet. So let's see what we have here, because we used to not have that many alphabets. And now that is no longer an issue. So, no, these are different. So are the other ones over here? Hang on, guys. Work with me here. Let me see. Do I have the... I don't know what I did with the... They should be there, but I have a bunch of alphabets now. But maybe not. Maybe it's not... Let me see. Let me look through here slowly. Okay. See, this is why I need to get the box going, because I can't fit, like, you know... This is like, this bin is packed cheek to jowl. And what are these? Those are folders. Okay. I'm not going to go crazy. Because I thought this is maybe what I was thinking of. Because they are, but I don't think these are the same one. Because these are uppercase, but they don't look the same. I like these better anyway. So it's all good. We're going to stop while we're ahead. But look how cute. Oh my God. Look. I love it. Look how cute that is. So we have, does he? Yes, we have flowers. We have all the little goodies. So if we look back here, I'm looking at the paper and yep, there they are. We have all of these goodies to make, and look, and we have an ampersand. Come on, guys. How many alphabets do you get that bring punctuation and the ampersand, the question mark. I mean, I am a happy girl. A comma, for crying out loud. You know, I love it. I are a happy camper. But look how cute these are. So apparently, I think, can you adapt them? I think you can adapt them. Oh no, they are different. Look, we have some with little lines in them. So, I mean, these are big letters, because look how big that ampersand is, and the exclamation point and the comma. Ooh, I like this. So, I mean, just that smile. Look what a cute and stinking adorable slimline that will make, right? So, are these like inset, or I don't know, because there's got to be a way. Some of these have the dots, so I guess you can cut out. I have no idea. We're going to figure this out, or we'll watch Beth's or I don't know if no, I saw Vianney's review, which is why I got this. So I'm gonna have to go back and now rewatch it. Oh my goodness, these are very, very cool. The decorative alphabet, they are still available, I believe. I think, I can't remember, one of these items when I was checking out was say it was starting to get low. So, but I don't know if that really means like they're low, or they're just saying that to get us to buy faster. So who knows? It's very effective with me. It usually gets me to, oh yeah, I gotta do that right now. So I have this alphabet, and we're gonna put this back in its envelope for the time being, for the moment. Here's another thing I'm doing is I'm just floating these because it's such a pain in the tuchus. So hopefully this will work. And now I can slide those in. And then I just have to remember to put them in the right direction. Oh heck, I'll do this later. Or we could be here 3 days watching me try, struggling. Okay, you go back in there for the moment. And now, where are my scissors? Scissors. We will now do this one. We'll open this one. This one is the Country Garden backdrop dies. Background dies. These were so pretty. When I saw Vianney, it's like, Diamond Press, you're killing me. For that matter, so are you, Vianney. In case you see this. You know, it's like I tell myself, I have to stop watching her. She's really, really bad. I love her. She's so bad, but I love her. But it's like I'm like a moth drawn to the fire. I have to come closer. Oh, draw nigh and see what coolness she has. Oh my goodness, gosh. They take this thing is adhesive very, very seriously. Alrighty. And look at that. Oh my gosh, this is Myra size slimline. Because you guys know I make mine a little bit fatter. I make mine, fat lines. Instead of, slim lines, mine are fat lines. Because that is, there we go. It's a little over 3.5 inches. So, I make my cards 3 3/4. So I make them a little wider because I use the business size envelopes. But look how beautiful that is. This is what I love, because I have visions of, you can make a shaker. Really, you can, because there's enough open space you can still, ink the background, or this is definitely a shaker card. This, I'll be honest, I don't feel so much, but you know what? This is great for a guy's card, and that's important. But this one, this one I fell in love with. I practically bought the whole thing for this one. But let's see, let's look at their inspiration sheet. Oh, look, a folder. Oh! I got Chad from working on project last night for one of the videos. So you guys, if you watched the video, the 500 subscriber Fit a Jumbo Jet giveaway, get on there. You have until Monday night at midnight to sign up for it. I'll be pulling my giveaway on Tuesday. All right, I haven't settled on a time yet. I'm trying not to make it too late, but I want to make it too early. But it's a work day, so I'm going to figure that out because I want to try to do it as a premiere. But these are the cutouts. So we have a little picture. So it shows. Look how pretty that looks. And I saw Vianney. She did this one, I'm positive, if I remember correctly. But of course, as always, I say I've slept since then. But I'm jazzed. I'm really excited. I love Diamond Press. I love this. This absolutely, positively screams shaker card. So yes, I'm in love with it. Yay. I'm like, woo. I'm all excited. I got cool stuff. Yeah, because we might have a little bit of a dry spell here now between now and HSN Craft Day. It's like, oh my gosh, I don't have anything to order. What's wrong with me? I'm kind of like slowing down, mostly because I still have to get a few things for Christmas and whatnot. So, oh my goodness. And I don't remember what this is. So let's find out what this is. It says August 2145. Right. Hut. I don't remember. I'm telling you. The things I have forgotten would fill volumes. Let me go. Okay, there we go. Get that open.
Can't go shopping.
No.
It's almost 11.
Oh, fine. You tease me with going shopping and then say we can't go shopping. You're mean.
Well, unless you kill the video right now.
Okay, okay, give me a couple minutes. I'm almost done. He's threatening me with not being able to go back to Marshall's. Okay. Oh, I remember this. I wanted to get this. Hang on, guys. I set the box flying. Fly! Yay! Boom. Okay, so these are the acetates that came back into stock. And this is the heavyweight, I believe, heat resistant. Although, no, this is not heat resistant, but at the very least it's heavyweight because at this point it is not necessarily embossed, but it has that print on them. So there is no need to emboss it or anything. Okay, so let's see if I can get the sticker up. Let's see. Yeah, I can. There we go. Oh, yeah, I'm jazzed about this because I have a bunch of Crafter's Companion snowflake paper. So this, I go through all that trouble and I'm still tearing it. Let's pull this out just to show you guys. But this thing is heavy. It feels heavy. Oh, my goodness. But look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Can you guys see? I need to pull out a piece of colored paper because that's how it's going to show better. Hang on. All right, we're going to pull out that obnoxious green that I don't like. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. Oh my gosh, and this is heavy. This is heavy. Oh my gosh, much fun can be had with this. This is so pretty, so I'm going to have to figure out. I have to do something with this soon so you guys can enjoy it. Just to see it. Oh my God. Let's see. So there's three different ones. And this one, oh my God, does it feel? No, this one, but this, you can feel the texture. Oh my gosh, so this is like, it is embossed, so I'm sure this is supposed to be the top. This is cool, look at that. Look how cool that is. Doesn't it look like a snow flurry? Way, way, way cool. I love it. And then we'll go to the bottom, and then last but not least, more snowflakes. Gotta love it. I love that. Oh my gosh. So these are all great. I had to order a package while they still had. Maybe this is the one I got the low alert. I don't know. As of the last time I checked, they were still available, I believe. But I will link you down below. And just keep an eye out. You may not get it for Christmas, but you know what? There's going to be a Christmas next year and the year after that. So start early, unlike some of us. Okay. But I think, yeah, it was like 3 different styles. These are really, this is a surprise that it's textured. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, there is no wastage here. These are all awesome. Gotta love it. Okay, guys, that is it. I'm going to kind of like scoot along here so that I can have a whole quality, I don't know, 5 minutes at Marshall's. May or may not. We'll see. Or maybe we'll just go tomorrow. I don't know. But I just wanted to thank you guys for hanging out with me and sharing in my goodies and my new gnome for the collection. Now I got to find where I'm going to put Skiing Gnome because he's just stinking adorable. And again, if you like this and you enjoy all of my little shopping forays and see vicariously enjoying it, because I do too. I love watching other people's hauls and I get ideas. They send me off on buying stuff, so I'm easily led astray. Then by all means, go ahead, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Drop me a note and say, hey, don't forget that giveaway is still open. The rules are posted on it. You gotta like my page. You got my YouTube. You gotta hit enter me on that video. Okay, I will link you to that video below, and you'll see the rules there. Because suddenly I can't think of them all because I'm a dingbat. What were you expecting? I'm the Mad Scrapper after all. And again, if you enjoy this and you want to see more content, then go ahead and subscribe me. I am now 500. Let's see if we can make it 1,000 because I have delusions of grandeur. So what the heck? And ring the bell because that's how you're going to know when I'm around because I'm like a bad penny. I keep turning up. And other than that, be safe. Enjoy your crafting, guys. And don't forget that we're all a little mad here. So let's all scrap the madness, okay? I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.